What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Just a quick video to go over a couple of really cool Spigen cases, okay? I'm a fan of Spigen, and hopefully we can bring you a few more Spigen products and videos here in the future, because they just got some cool stuff. And these actually, for disclaimer, this isn't a sponsored video at all. I actually bought these two cases with my own money, and Spigen, if you're watching, hey, I'd love to collaborate again. Reach out. So let's dive in and take a look at two of these cases, which I think are unique. I like to bring you some cool, unique cases. These happen to be the iPhone 14 Pro Max Edition. So let's dive right in. First one we're going to take a look at is this one right here. And this one I really think is like the ultimate camera protector that would be out there. This is MagFit. It's Optik Armor, and what's really cool about this case is, as you can probably already notice, it has a cover for your lenses, okay? Most of them have that ridge that puts it in a valley. This one here literally has a cover. Now, some people may not like this because this is going to be an extra step to access like your camera, so you might miss like a photogenic moment or something, but some people might actually appreciate this design. One, it's got really good protection, very good grip. Now the sides are a little slick. I don't know why. I would have probably used this exact same material here. This feels more, rough. It'd be good for the grip. This here is just smooth, a little bit disappointing. Also, this is a little bit recessed, but not too terrible. I can reach a fingernail in there, but if you don't have any fingernails, I'm pretty low. Might be a little difficult. But other than that, very good response, feedback on the switches, and the ports are all really good and accessible, no issues there. And again, we get this nice slide. Hello, camera. I mean, like, if you like the no camera look, that's kind of cool. And I tell you what, there isn't going to be a case out there that's going to offer more protection for your camera lenses than this. And even if you do have like a protective glass cover on your lenses, this is going to work. Okay? Just going to say. So if you're worried about that, that does work. So that's an awesome case to add some protection. It's kind of a fidget toy too, right? Sit here and do this all day, drive people crazy. Again, it's a good looking case too. So ultimate camera protection, Optik Armor, iPhone 14 Pro Max Edition. It is MagSafe. Let's give it a little test. Ooh. Says it's MagFit design. There we go. And we're charging. Woo! Let's get my cards out of there. 87% we're charging. I guess once you find it, that's not exactly where I was looking for it, but that is, and it's not going to come off. It's pretty well attached, so that's good. But let's see if I can find it again. There. Now that I know where it is, boom. It was a little difficult. I was kind of aiming more like down in here, but it's actually right there. So, does work. Alright, so we've passed that one. Now, this one's the one I've been actually waiting for a little bit because, as you can see, before I put this case on, I had a D-brand skin on my phone called the, I've actually done a video on it, the Teardown Edition, which is kind of cool, just a D-brand skin. So this here is the Ultra Hybrid iPhone 14 Pro Max, again, MagFit. There you go. This is the 01 Hybrid MagFit. Again, designed for the iPhone. Supposed to be kind of a teardown. You can see here A16 hexacore, you got some silicone, haptic engine, and Spigen iPhone Edition 01. Boom. So let's go ahead, see how this looks. Now again, I have the teardown D brand on here, so is this overkill? Probably. There you go. It looks pretty kick butt. I like it. So if I want to change it up from the D brand, this pretty much hides it. And I have a case on here versus just the skin. So that's kind of cool. And again, our ports look good. Feedback on our buttons are awesome. It's got a pretty good ridge. You can see here the lenses don't show, so it's protected there. So that's a nice case. Let's how about some MagSafe charging ability. So this one going to tell you right where it's at, right? Should be right there. Boom, and it is. Shake test works good. We are charging right there. Somehow I got it in airplane mode. All right, there we go. Again, this is the 01 hybrid iPhone 14 Pro Max edition of this. Again, you can get this for the iPhone 14 Pro. This happens to be the Max. Both cases, very cool. Some unique design cases that I wanted to bring you guys. So we'll end it here. Check the show notes for links for these guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.